Everything.
You guys have anybody you'd like to thank?
My dad and Mr. Committee.
My parents for letting me come here, and his dad and Mr. Committee. All right, guys. Good luck.
Good luck as they roll on the rover course for the 24th Annual Human Exploration Rover Challenge here at the U.S. Space and Rocket Center, just outside the gates of NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center. We are proud to once again work with our partners here at the Rocket Center to bring this event, as well as work with our partner who's joining us here in the booth today, Tony, representative of Boeing. We're glad you guys are here again today, as we've got several teams running and gunning and ready to go on this course. We had a chance to speak with you earlier, which is great. We got a lot of great opportunities and some content. But as we talk about this being a global event, we got teams from around the world, several nations that are involved, speaking multiple different languages. I think this is a good opportunity for us to highlight that experience and reach out to as many people and just give them a chance to understand what goes on here at Rover Challenge, some of the inspirational words that you could share, and tell them a little bit about what the work that Boeing is doing.
Yeah. Bueno, mi nombre es Juan Antonio Castilleja. Yo trabajo para la compañía Boeing en creando y lanzando la nueva generación de aeronaves espaciales que van a ir hacia la Luna, hacia Marte y hacia el espacio. Y aquí estamos viendo los estudiantes con sus rovers, los vehículos que han creado con sus equipos en todo el mundo, y viendo que ellos están haciendo exactamente lo que un ingeniero hace. Y yo, como ingeniero de primera generación, de papás mexicanos, pues aquí estoy representando las oportunidades que tienen los estudiantes con este concurso para poder ir a trabajar con compañías como Boeing, como Lockheed, como NASA, para poder crear estos vehículos que los van a llevar hacia Marte.
We appreciate that, and once again, international opportunities not only for Rover Challenge, but space exploration in general, as we have several teams here representing the world for Human Exploration Rover Challenge Year 24.
Yeah, Chris, I was looking at the roster just the other day, and when you say the world, we literally mean the world. There are teams from Bolivia, from Germany, from India, from Mexico. Literally the entire world is represented here today. And I know Boeing is the same type of company.
Yeah.
Well, so what's it like to be able to know that your presence is all around the world, influencing so many people?
Yeah, as I've traveled the country and around the world, they're going to see that Boeing logo. They're going to remember the person that they met today. And it's great as we go into the future of human spaceflight. We're all going to be working together. We need the best engineers in the world. We're looking for that talent. And when they see a Boeing logo, they remember this experience they had in Huntsville. They know about the work that we're doing here. Same place, same company, same pedigree. And same challenges, regardless of country.
Now, talk to us what Boeing is doing. We mentioned the Starliner, the SLS. Talk to us more about what Boeing's doing to help us take that next step in exploration.
Yeah, building the next generation of human spaceflight, redefining human spaceflight. That's what we're building, from low Earth orbit to deep space. Spacecraft, launch vehicles, as well as deep space habitats.
Excellent. And I know you are as excited as I am and all of us out here today to see those next steps in exploration.
All right, let's stay right here with you for just a moment. Let's toss back to DeCarlo.
Hi, Gert. Hi, guys. I'm with Pittsburgh State University's team. This is Scott. And Kelsey. So this is you all's first time, but it's not your team's first time, and this is also your rover's first time. Tell me why you guys decided to go with a brand new rover instead of just modifying an old one.
We were going with a brand new rover, that way we can get as much points as possible, and we've also been challenged to use a hydraulic drivetrain. Our school challenged us instead of the chain drivetrain that they used last semester.
Tell me how the change of the rules and the change of the challenge overall has kind of changed how you guys are prepared for today.
Well, with the new rules, with us using a hydraulic drivetrain, we're able to go over different obstacles a lot better, and since it's not time-based, we don't have to go as fast as they did last semester, so we don't have to worry about speed as much.
Are there any obstacles that you guys are looking to bypass today?
Pretty much all of them. We're just trying to get the time correct and see if we can actually get it in 7 minutes.
Do you guys have any sponsors you'd like to thank?
Well, it's just like all our friends and families that helped support us through the whole year and everything. And Kansas Space Grant also donated a lot to us.
All right, guys. Good luck. Back to you guys.
into space grant for helping them get here as well. And we want to thank our partners who are joining us, help sponsoring this event. Numerous sponsors that we'll talk about later, one of them being Boeing right here. We talked about the opportunity that this event provides to students all around the globe. One of them is making that first initial contact and letting them know that there's people in the aerospace industry now who are interested in getting them on board. And if that's the case, Tony, how do they do that?
Yeah, we're training astronauts now. We're building these spacecrafts now. These are the foundation for deep space. And so to join us at Boeing Careers on Twitter, at Boeing Defense to get up to date on how we're doing in our human spaceflight efforts, and Boeing, www.boeing.com/careers. And you're going to see all the opportunities from intern-student engineer, which is our position for places around the country, as well as positions around the world.
Excellent. Wonderful interview, as always, year after year. We appreciate having you joining us. We look forward to actually come back to the booth tomorrow and continue this conversation.
Hey, it's a pleasure to support these students. We're building the future now in the products that we're building, but also in the great minds that are here today.
Thanks, Tony.
Thank you.
Thanks, sir.
Now let's bring in Kevin Brooks from Mayfield.
Brooks.
High school. His team is finishing up the course. Kevin, come on in and join us. Hey, so how's the run going?